This week we are learning about the E team. There are 4 players on the E team, or 4 ways that we can make the E sound. The first player on the E team is E with an E at the end, or a magic E. Though this, like the word Pete, says E. The second player on the E team is EA, because when 2 vowels go walking, the first one does the talking. So in the word beat, the E says its name and the A is silent. So EA says E. The third player on the E team is EE, like in Jeep, because when 2 vowels go talking, the first one does the talking. So in the word Jeep, the 2 E's say E. The last player on the E team is EY, like in key, because EY is sometimes a vowel. So when E and Y go walking, the E does the talking. Just like the A team that we learned about last week, the E team, it can be also complicated to figure out which way to spell a word. Is it EA or EE or EY or magic E? The way that you can become better at spelling long E words is to keep practicing and reading books and looking at words and asking grown-ups for help if you are trying to choose between 2 different spelling patterns. Sometimes there are rules to follow, like EA is in the middle of a word and EY is at the end of a word, but just like in everything else we've learned this year, that those rules are sometimes broken. So those are sometimes rules, not all the time rules. So this week, your job is going to be sorting words in different ways, looking at what the middle sounds or what the E sounds are in that word and putting words in different categories. Have fun learning about these words.